How can you create a document or a PDF from the iPhone notes? Let me guide you through it. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So naturally, you just get inside of your notes, make sure that it's finished, and there are a few ways how you can do this. Like, you can of course click on share and make sure that you don't have the collaborate option, but instead just make sure the send copy is selected, and now you get to decide how you can save it, right? So when you click on the three dots, I'm gonna save it to the files, and I will basically export it as a text document, right? It's not gonna be a PDF, it's not gonna be a Word document, it's just gonna be like a plain document containing nothing but the text, which works because you can export the notes to a different place. So if you want to, and if you're happy with it, just use that option. But me personally, I like to save it in a PDF format. And instead of clicking this like save to files option, what you have to do is to click on a print, which is, actually like we'll try to connect you to an actual printer, but we are not going to do that because we just want to get to this page, and this now is a PDF document. So I'm going to click on the share icon again, and you can see that now we are working with a PDF file. And now I can click on the save to files, and it's going to be the PDF which I save to my locations, to my folders. So I essentially turn the Apple Notes section or note into the actual PDF file, which I can save anywhere I want. So I personally find that to be a little bit more useful than just the plain text document, but of course you can use whichever method you prefer. But that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'm gonna talk to you later.